Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a video reviewing and doing a little demo / tutorial, first impressions, everything basically, of the HAUS Laboratories makeup. If you guys don't know, HAUS Laboratories, spelled this way, HAUS, is Lady Gaga's brand that she just launched. So I have some products to review, to play with, to touch that she gave out at the launch party. Speaking of, her launch party was amazing. Me and Matt got to attend. It was pretty cool. I'll insert some clips and videos of it and everything. The event got security. Oh my gosh. So we just got to the Lady Gaga Haus Labs launch party and we just got the security. We're walking
Your
in.
expression, your artistry. We want you to love yourself. Our house, your rules.
Guys, ooh! Look at this. Eye-Lie-Ner.
Good evening. Welcome to HAUS Laboratories. I am so honored and humbled that you all came here tonight to our house.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. So on our way out, we got HAUS Laboratories makeup. We got a little bag. So today I'm just going to be playing with these things and we will create a cool look. Matt already recorded a video with this stuff and I was very impressed with the way it looked. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start. As you can tell, my face is already done. I just already completed that off camera. So we're just going to go straight into eyes. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So the only thing is that we do not have any powder eyeshadows. She released the only eyeshadow is in liquid form. So there are lip glosses, liquid eyeshadows, there's lip liners, an eyeliner, and stickers, I believe. For the liquid eyeshadows, I'm just going to go over what she has in her collection as far as shades and what they look like. So here are the Glam Attack liquid eyeshadows. This is shade Dynasty, and it's like an emerald green. Next is Chained Ballerina. This is a black liquid eyeshadow with, this has shimmers in it. Here is shade Aphrodite. This is like a champagne shade. This one is super pretty. Looks almost like a liquid highlighter. Here is shade Rose Bitch. This is a pinky shade. This one's so pretty, like a pinky mauve. This one is one of my favorites. This is called Legend. This is a beautiful, beautiful liquid gold. And the last liquid eyeshadow is called Biker. This is a metallic silver. Lady Gaga also has this face mask. It's called Face Lace by Phyllis Cohen. They did a collab. So what this brand does is they have like stickers for makeup. They have like eyeliner stickers where you can literally just put on like an eyeliner. I actually have that in the bag, but I don't know where it went. I have these ones. These ones for the face, for the eyes. I'm sure you guys seen the photo of her wearing these. So Matt used the bottom ones, which are fine because I wasn't a fan. So these top ones I still have. I'm curious how I want to do this. So I'm just going to do a little corner of one of these. I just cut it off. I'm going to put this onto my crease, put eyeshadow over it, peel it off, and hopefully it'll have a cool effect underneath. I know everyone is just sticking these on, but I know because of that, it makes me not want to just stick them on. So I'm going to place it on, put eyeshadow over it, and then peel it off. Alright, so these are the little parts that I cut off. I'm going to stick these on to my crease, and then we'll start applying eyeshadow. Alright guys, so now we have better audio. I just realized this happens to me a lot, but I was filming and I lost my audio. So, anyways, so here's to good audio. So I have these stickers down and I'm gonna go ahead and just put eyeshadow over this so that it's, when I rip it off, it'll have like my skin color left and it'll look real cute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a brown eyeshadow and kind of smoke it over the crease. I'm actually going to put the brown on the inside and put a different color on the outside. Oh, that is pigmented. What I just used, did not expect that. I'm using the Rose Gold palette from Huda. Wow, that's really pretty. I'm like, I haven't used this palette in so long. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a deeper, I'm gonna grab like a deep pink shade, almost kind of purple. And I'm going to pack that on the outer part. Alright, here is the most exciting moment, I think. I'm going to go ahead and apply the gold liquid eyeshadow onto the lid. This one is called Legend. And I'm gonna kind of cut my crease in the front a little bit, so let's see how this applies. I'm really excited. Oh gosh. I'm gonna keep the eyeshadow simple. I'm gonna go ahead and use her liquid eyeliner. So this is Matter Than Matte liquid eyeliner. This is shade Punk, which is black. Here is what the packaging looks like. And let's see what the tip looks like. Ooh, super sharp tip. The eyeliner obviously went on amazing. You guys can see that it's very black. It's very clean and sharp. I think this might be one of the easiest felt tip liners I've used to work with because the tip is very flexible. It really like is easy to move with your eye and stuff and get like those angles and stuff. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know. Anyways, I think it's very easy to use, very easy to apply. It looks a little shiny because I applied over the liquid eyeshadow. So there's some of that liquid eyeshadow showing through. But as far as I can see, I really like it. It's super dark, super pigmented. A good amount comes out on the tip as well. So now it's time to remove this little sticker, which is going to be so satisfying. I hope you guys think it'll be satisfying as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and run these same eyeshadows underneath the lower lash line. Finish the other eye, and I will be right back. I am back, and here is the eyes all completed. How do you guys like them? I think it's so cool. I love this big lash, so I put on this thick liner. I also like the stamps, like the little, oh my gosh, it's so cute. They almost look like little flowers. Oh, I love it. I should do that more. Anyways, I'm going to use one of her lip liners. She has 4 of them currently. This one is called Slayer. This is like a burgundy shade. This one is called Rule. This one is called Myth. And this shade is called Drag. Okay, so the lip liner I'm going to use is Myth. This is the one that I chose. So let's go ahead and pop her on. Oh, that's creamy. She's creamy. Okay, so the lip liner is on. I obviously filled in my entire lip with this. You could obviously use this as a liner, or you could fill in your entire lip with it. It works both ways. I think this is so pretty. It feels so good. It went on so good. A lot of lip liners I don't like because it's just, sometimes they like bunch up, they crumble a little bit on the edges and you can't get sharp edges. But girl, she's sharp. She's cute. I love this color, and it has a little bit of like a sheen to it, which I like. And that shows that it's not dry. It does not feel dry at all. Honestly, it feels like there's nothing on my lips. Wow, I really like that. Next, we have glosses. So the last product I will be reviewing today or showing is going to be her glosses. Do you like it?
Oh, look at it. Oh, cute.
Alright, so glosses. We have 5 glosses. These are called the Riot Lip Gloss. Here are the 5 shades. So I'll do close-ups of these. Here's shade Corset. This one's so pretty. Here is shade Venus. This is shade Screen. This one has like little glitters in it. Here is shade Attitude. And then here is shade Entrance. This is almost like a clear gloss. It's almost like a cream gloss with pink glitter in it. And this is what I'm going to be using today, since I have a whole pink moment going on. It's almost like a pink and gold. So, oh, you know what? Actually has a bit of blue in it. Whoa, there's blue, gold, and pink. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, let's pop her on. So her applicator is really like thick, like the stem is thick. So it's probably gonna look like a clear gloss, honestly. A lot of these glosses that just have shimmer in them, you don't really ever see the shimmer unless you're like really close up in the sunlight. So I mean, it's basically a clear gloss, but it's so pretty. I'm feeling super fucking late right now. Snatched, girl. Oh my gosh, the gloss feels good. Feels so smooth. It's a little bit thick, but I like that because it's not sticky. So like I don't mind it being thicker. So I feel like it feels like a gloss, not like an oil that's gonna like kind of fall off or dry out. It looks smooth, you guys. Ooh, okay. All right, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys like this. This is something a little bit different for me with the whole stamp thing, which I think those are really cool because you can use those in different ways. You can just put them on and leave them on as black stamps or black stickers, or you can make it like a stamp where you put it on, put some makeup over it, peel it off. So those are pretty cool. I think everything that I've used I like a lot. I will keep using. I do see myself using these over and over again, especially the lip liner and especially the liquid eyeshadows. The liquid eyeshadows are my go-to now. These are beautiful. Oh, okay, everything. So yeah, I think it's so cool that Lady Gaga has a makeup line. I think it's so cool that we got invited to the launch event, which was so much fun, you guys. It was so cool. It was kind of unlike any other makeup event. It's very edgy, very dark, very on trend with Lady Gaga, which I loved everything about it. I really enjoy her makeup. I wasn't too sure about it. I was like, Lady Gaga coming out with makeup. The more she talked about it, the more it made sense because she has been wearing makeup probably every day for who knows how long she's been performing and doing all this stuff and singing. She wears lots of makeup. A plus to Lady Gaga line, HAUS Laboratories. I think it's really good. You guys should definitely check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys have not already. Follow me on Instagram. Do not forget. I also made a TikTok if you guys are interested in that. Don't know how that's going yet, but you guys can find out if you visit me on there. And yeah, don't forget to follow Matt as well. We'll have all of our stuff everywhere that you guys can click and follow us. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Deuces.